Hello children. Now we are going to start a very interesting topic of our chapter number 7, geometry. It is circles. What is a circle? A circle, it is a closed curve consisting of the numerous points which are at the equal distance from a fixed point. So how it is saying, what it is saying, that it is a closed curve. First of all, what is a circle? It is a closed curve and it is made up of numerous points which are at the equal distance from a fixed point. Means there is from one fixed point, all these points, these are the various different points from which a circle is made. So this fixed point, it is called as center of the circle. So this fixed point, it is called as center of circle. Now second, it is circumference of a circle. It is the distance around the circle. It is called as circumference. If this is my circle, so the distance, this boundary of the circle, this distance of the circle, it is called as the circumference of a circle. Now next, it is radius. Any point on the circumference, means this is outer boundary, it is circumference. So any point on the circumference of the circle is at the same distance from the center. This distance is called the radius of the circle. It is from the center. Suppose this is the center and we have marked it as O. So any point from this center of the circle to the boundary of the circle is known as the radius of the circle. So O, and I have written here A. So OA is the radius of circle. Similarly, from this point we can draw a line to this point also, and this will also be the radius of the circle. So OB is also the radius of circle, and in a circle the radius, it is equal. So if it means that O to A is equal to O to B. So OA equals to OB. What does it mean? From center, if we take any line to the boundary of the circle, that lines are equal and it is called as the radius of the circle. And radii is the plural of radius. The next very important point, it is the diameter of a circle. So what is the diameter? First of all, we have read the radius. Now it is diameter. The distance from a point on the circumference of a circle to another point on it and passing through the center. Means if we have taken one point on the circumference, let us name it as A. The another point that we have to take, it should pass through the center of the circle. It is the center O and B. So AOB is the diameter of circle. So it is the distance from a point on the circumference of a circle to another point on it and passing through the center of the circle. It is called as the diameter of the circle. And you have to remember that the length of the diameter, it is twice the radius. Twice means 2 times. 2 times. So the length of the diameter, it is 2 times, twice the radius. So diameter is 2r, or we can simply write 2 multiplied by r. When we have to find the diameter, so it will be 2 multiplied by the radius, and when we have to find the radius, it is diameter divided by 2. Okay, now let's move to our exercise 7.7 question number 1. So the question number 1, it is the radii of some circles are given below, find their diameter. So what we have to find here? Diameter. So what is the diameter? The diameter, it is 2 multiply the radius. The value for the radius, it is 8.2. So it is 2 multiply 8.2. Now children, here it is a decimal number. So how to multiply a decimal number? We will simply multiply 82 by 2. In the rough space, 82 multiply by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 8 2s are 16. Now you can see in 8.2, after decimal there is only one digit. Okay, after decimal there is only one digit. So in our answer also we have to put the decimal in a place where after decimal only one digit it is there. Okay, so where will I put the decimal? If I put the decimal after 1, there will be 2 digits. So where I will put the decimal? After 6, because after 6 only one digit 4 it is left. So what the answer becomes? 16.4 centimeters. Similarly, the B part, it is the radii, it is given to 3.4 centimeters. So we have to find the diameter. It is 2 multiply by r. So 2 multiply by 3.4. In the rough space we will multiply 34 by 2. So 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. Now I have already told you that we have to apply this decimal in our answer in such a way that after the decimal there should be one digit. So where will I put the decimal? After 6. So it will be 6.8 centimeters. C part, it is very easy, it is 6 centimeters. So diameter, it is 2 multiply by r. So 2 multiply by 6, it is 12 centimeter. Now the D part, it is 4.7 centimeter. So the diameter 2 multiply by r, 2 multiply by 4.7. In the rough work we will multiply 47 by 2. 2 sevens are 14, 1 carry 8 and 1 9. So in 4.7 after decimal there is one number. So in our answer also after decimal there should be one digit. So where we will put the decimal? After 9. So what the answer becomes? 9.4 centimeters. Similarly, we will solve our F part. It is 5.3 centimeters. So diameter, it is 2 multiply by radius, 2 multiply by 5.3. Now 53 we have multiplied by 2. So it is 6. 3 2s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. So after, where we will put the decimal? After 10. So it becomes 10.6 centimeters. Question number 2, it is the diameter of some circles are given below, find their radius. So here this is the diameter. So diameter, it is 8 centimeter, and what we have to find? Their radii. Radii means radius. So radius, it is diameter divided by 2. Okay, so it means 8 divided by 2. What the answer will be? Simply 4 centimeter. In the B part, it is 9.4 centimeters. So diameter, it is 9.4 centimeter, and what is the radius? D divided by 2. Now we will divide 94 by 2, and after that we will put the decimal. So in the rough space we will divide 94 divided by 2. 2 4s are 8 and 14. 2 7s are 14. So answer, it is 47. Okay, now as we have done in the multiplication that after decimal it is one number, so here also where we should put the decimal? So after decimal it should be the one number only. So after 4. So what the radius becomes? 4.7 centimeter. Now in the C part it is 4.6 centimeters. So diameter it is 4.6 centimeters and radius it is diameter divided by 2. It means 4.6 divided by 2. So in the rough space we will divide 46 by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 0 here, and 2 3s are 6. So here after decimal in our question 4.6, after decimal 1 digit is there. So in the answer also we have to apply the decimal in such a way that after decimal there should be only 1 digit. So where will I apply the decimal? After 2. So it becomes 2.3 centimeters. Now the D part, here the diameter it is 3.8 centimeters, and we have to find the radius, it is diameter divided by 2. So 3.8 divided by 2. So we will first divide 38 by 2. 2 ones are 2, then 18, it becomes 2 nines are 18. Okay, now it is 19. In the question it was 3.8. After decimal there was only 1 digit. So in the answer also after decimal there should be 1 digit. So where we will apply the decimal? After 1. So answer becomes 1.9 centimeter. The F part it is 10 centimeter. So the diameter it is 10 centimeters and radius it is diameter divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2, it becomes 5 centimeter. Thank you.